Communication in the workplace does not only involve speaking, it also includes tone of voice, facial expression, and body language. Verbal and non-verbal harassment can happen when words or action make others feel uncomfortable or disrespect. Example include rude comments, offensive jokes, negative facial expression, or inappropriate gesture. This behavior can affect employees and create a negative work environment. The objective of this topic are to explain what verbal and non-verbal harassment mean in the workplace, to help people recognize inappropriate communication and to promote respectful and professional behavior. This topic also aims to encourage a safe and positive workplace for everyone.
Workplace harassment can affect everyone, not just one group of people. Those involved include employees, supervisors, managers, interns, trainees, and even customers or clients. Anyone who communicates in the workplace can either experience harassment or unintentionally contribute to it through word, tone, or body language. Therefore, it is important for all individuals in an organization to communicate ethically and respectfully to maintain a safe and professional working environment.
Now, let's move to another part that will explain what verbal and non-verbal harassment is in workplace communication. Verbal harassment includes offensive jokes, insults, threats, or inappropriate comments that make others feel uncomfortable, disrespected, or embarrassed in a professional setting. These types of communication may seem small, but repeated behavior can seriously affect an individual's confidence and emotional. Nonverbal harassment refers to actions such as negative facial expression, staring, inappropriate gesture, or invading personal space. Even without spoken words, these behaviors can send negative message and make others feel intimidated or unsafe in the workplace. Both verbal and non-verbal harassment may happen intentionally or unintentionally. However, regardless of the intention, the impact can still create a stressful and unhealthy working environment. Therefore, understanding what these behaviors are is important so professionals can communicate respectfully, maintain professionalism, and build a positive and supportive workplace environment.
Hi, my name is NURHIDAYAH, and when does it matter most is firstly daily workplace interaction, which is conversation and casual jokes as well as gestures and facial expressions can create discomfort if respect and professionalism are not maintained. The next one is hierarchical situation, which is supervisor and employer situation. Words, tone, posture, and body language may be perceived as intimidating due to power imbalance. Lastly, for conflict or high-stress situations, during disagreements or periods of pressure, inappropriate words, tone, or aggressive body language can easily escalate into a verbal or non-verbal harassment.
So where did this happen? In today's office environment, communication happens across multiple platforms, including remote word system, emails and chat applications, video conference, and workplace event. While these tools improve collaboration, they can also create opportunities for workplace harassment. So harassment may occur during face-to-face interactions such as meeting or casual conversation through inappropriate words, tone, gesture, and also body language. In virtual setting, harassment can be more subtle but just as harmful, appearing through nonverbal cues like eye rolling, mocking facial expression, interrupting others, or intentionally excluding colleagues during online meetings. Therefore, it is important for employees and also organizations to promote respectful communication, remain aware of both verbal and also non-verbal behaviors, and ensure a safe and inclusive working environment for everyone.
Next, I will explain why this topic is important in professional communication. Verbal and non-verbal behavior influence how messages are delivered and perceived. When communication is respectful and professional, it helps reduce misunderstandings and conflict. This also builds trust in the workplace and improves overall communication effectiveness.
Lastly, I will explain how professionals can apply this knowledge in avoiding verbal and non-verbal harassment in workplace communication. Professionals can practice respectful and appropriate language in all interactions. Being mindful of tone, facial expressions, and body language helps prevent misunderstandings and discomfort. Respecting personal space and boundaries is also important to maintain professionalism. By communicating with empathy and addressing issues through proper channels, we can create a safe, respectful, and positive workplace environment for everyone.